Hello and welcome to this drone video. Today, we're going to take you on a tour of Canal Rock in Western Australia. This is a beautiful area that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. It's amazing to think that such natural wonders have been here for millions of years. Once we arrived at Canal Rock, we were greeted by even more breathtaking views. The rocky outcrops that line the coastline offer a unique and dramatic landscape. Overall, it was an incredible day out exploring Canal Rock and the surrounding landscape. We hope that you enjoyed this drone video and that it inspires you to come and experience this beautiful region for yourself. Thanks for watching.